Xiaomi Z104 GPS Positioning Drone 8K Dual Camera, Brushless Motors, Obstacle Avoidance, and Pro-Grade Aerial Photography. Step into the world of precision aerial imaging and intelligent flight with the Xiaomi Z104 GPS Drone, a high-performance, brushless quadcopter designed for creators, tech lovers, and drone pilots who demand superior image quality, smart flight features, and reliable GPS-based control. With its Ultra HD 8K dual cameras, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and stable GPS plus optical flow positioning, the Z104 stands out as a compact powerhouse ready for every mission. From smooth cinematic shots to high-speed FPV exploration. Camera with Flash 8K Ultra HD dual camera system. The Z104 drone is equipped with dual high-definition cameras, including a front-facing 8K main camera with wide-angle capabilities and a bottom optical flow camera. The front lens is remotely adjustable, allowing you to dynamically control angles in real time. Capture breathtaking landscapes, vertical shots, or close follow footage with stunning clarity. Camera photo resolution. Up to 7680 x 4320, 8K. Movie camera video resolution. 3840 x 2160, 4K. Anti-clockwise arrows camera tilt. Remote 90 degrees adjustable. Bullseye optical flow lens. Bottom camera for stability and low-altitude shots. Video game gesture control. Snap photos or record with a simple hand motion. Intelligent GPS positioning and optical flow. Experience pinpoint stability in any environment with dual positioning systems. GPS for outdoor precision and optical flow sensors for stable indoor flight. This hybrid system keeps the drone hovering steadily, perfect for both experienced pilots and beginners. Satellite GPS features. One key return, automatic return on low battery or lost signal. Pushpin waypoint flight. Set your path directly on the app. Orbit mode. Auto circle around a subject with adjustable radius. Compass headless mode. No need to worry about orientation during flight. Brain advanced 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Fly smarter and safer with 360-degree laser obstacle detection. Whether you're navigating between trees, around buildings, or through narrow spaces, the Z104 detects and avoids obstacles from all angles, reducing crash risk and improving flight confidence. Laser obstacle avoidance. Multi-directional sensing. Ideal for indoor-outdoor flights. Perfect for tight spots and complex environments. Brushless motors and foldable design. Built for endurance and speed, the Z104 features high-efficiency brushless motors, offering powerful lift, quiet operation, and extended durability compared to traditional brushed motors. Its foldable arms and lightweight structure make it easy to carry and perfect for travel or daily filming. Motor type. Brushless, quiet plus long-lasting. Weight. Lightweight, under 250 grams, registration may not be needed in some regions. Build. High durability ABS and foldable frame. Battery life and control range. Equipped with a modular rechargeable lithium battery, the Xiaomi Z104 delivers up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Control it via the included remote controller with LCD screen or your smartphone using the dedicated app. Battery. 3.7 volts 1800 mAh, modular. Flight time. 22 to 25 minutes. Remote distance. Up to 1000 meters. Wi-Fi FPV range. 5G transmission for low latency live video feed. App and smart features. Control the drone using the Xiaomi Z104 app to access advanced flight modes and view real-time FPV footage. Includes trajectory flight. Draw your path on the app. Live FPV feed. View from the drone's camera in real time. Photo filters and music. Edit and share within the app. Smart gesture control. Snap photos, videos with hand gestures. What's in the box? 1 Xiaomi Z104 GPS drone. 1 remote controller. 1 3.7 volts 1800 mAh battery. 4 spare propellers. 1 USB charging cable. 1 obstacle avoidance sensor, if included. 1 screwdriver plus screws. 1 user manual. Ideal for aerial photography enthusiasts, beginner to intermediate drone users, tech reviewers and content creators, travel and vloggers, Gift for teens and adults.